Okay, this is what I call Big Girl, the homemade DIY thermoforming machine. And it's going to a new home. The guy's coming to pick it up. So we're sending it to him. And it's a shuttle style machine. So your heat's right here. Once you get the part hot, you push the heater back. It usually stays there. Floor's crooked. You push the heater back. Then you use this control here to turn the air pressure on. Which raises this air cylinder up, pushes it through the mold, and makes that part right there. The plastic clamps in right here. And then up here is the part after it gets finished, and we take it apart to pull the part out of the machine. Open it up like a clamshell. Vacuum surge tank. Valve to turn on the vacuum, and you connect your vacuum here to pull the vacuum on the tank. So when you open this, it pulls the whole thing to the bottom of the mold right here. So, Big Girl, that's her. Power's on the back. It's got a 220 plug, 50 or 60 amp, and it's ready to go. But that's my homemade DIY thermoforming machine that's going to a new home. So, heat elements up on top right there. We'll look at how that works. And if you wonder how we adjust the heat on this thing, you see these wheels? It was too hot, so I made bigger wheels and raised it up a little bit. Yeah, that's the way you adjusted the heat. It's just frugal fixing, dude. That's the way you do things. You do it your way. But it's leaving here and going to a new home because I have no space for it, and I'm not making prospecting equipment anymore. So there it goes. And we're going to take all the molds that go with it to make all the different parts are going to go with it. And a few things to make parts with, and there's some parts down there to go with them, and up here some finished product, but I'm going to keep most of that. I'm going to give him a few just to have something to look at, but I'm going to keep most of it. So, yeah, that's it. They're all ready to go. You see the vacuum fitting on the back. You hook to that. That's where you pull it. That's a supercharger. That's a double deuce sluice. That's the newest one I done. That's the Phoenix. So, yeah. They're all there, guys. But it's all going to a new place. It's got to go. So let's bid it a farewell and send it on its way, because I got to fix this one day, you know. Dad always wanted it to work. He never did, so I guess I could. But yeah, there she goes, the Big Girl, on the way out the door. Man over here getting a little bit. That'll be good.